You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? What is the meaning of this Roman numeral, or in other words, what is 777 or 777 in Latin, or as a Roman numeral? It's written DCCLXXVII. Why is this? Well, that's a little bit complicated. DCC, D is for 500, CC is, every C is for 100, a century, so 500 plus 2 centuries, so that's 700. L is for 50, plus X is 10, so 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70. Now, V is for 5, I is for 1, so 5 plus 1 is another 7. So you get 500 plus twice 100 is 700, 777. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.